We're trying to figure out X and Y. So X is they answered question 1 no. How many answered yes to question 2? And then Y is they answered no to question 1. Question 2, how many answered no. All right, so for question 1, the ones that answered yes, 785 answered yes to question 2, and 380 answered no. So if I add those together, I get 785 plus 380. And that's 5 and 16, 1165, okay? Now, there's only 1455 runners. So 1165 have answered yes. If I find the difference, 1455 minus 1165, 0, 3, that's 90. It's 290, okay? They're the ones that answered no. So look at your choices here. We know that X, it's given me that X is greater than Y. The number answered yes is greater than the number answered no. Well, it can't be. So we've only got 290 left. This number is too big, so just cross that out. And 290 is too big. But what is 290 minus 75? 290 minus 75. I'm checking this first one's what I'm doing. So that would be 8 and 5 and 1. That'd be 215. So this would work and that would work. There's your answers right there. Okay, 145. If you do 290 minus 145, you get 145 for each. And we know that X is greater than Y. So X is 215 and Y is 75.